Hey there! Do you enjoy longboarding but wish you could go speeds where you could seriously injure yourself? And you! Do you love wakeboarding but are already drowning in debt and can't buy a boat? Well, do I have some exciting news for you. Introducing Longboard Scooter Land Wakeboarding. Name is a work in progress. She found a way into my heart. So, I've had this really dumb idea for a while where I wanted to tow myself on a longboard behind one of my electric scooters so I could reach speeds of 25 or 30 miles per hour on flat ground. I wasn't really sure how exactly I wanted to do it or how it would work, so I took a day to go try it out and see how fast I could go without dying. First off, I knew I wanted to use the Cabo Mantis, simply because the rear tail has a hole in it that is begging for some rope to be looped through it. None of my other scooters have such a convenient spot. Next, I needed to pick up some supplies for the tow rope that would pull me behind the scooter. First, some 3/16 inch cord and some 3/4 inch PVC pipe for the handle. I doubled the rope, fed the loop through the metal on the Mantis, and pulled the ends through. I slipped the cut piece of PVC into the rope and tied the only knot that I know that tightens on itself, the square knot. After a little testing, I settled on about a 15-foot distance behind the scooter. All that was left was to trick my friend into helping me. Here's my first go.
Holy, so fast. 16. That was how fast? 16. Oh, I forgot to tighten the trucks. That one was sketchy. About 18, 19. Yeah, you're good.
The next step was to ramp up the speed.
Okay, hit it.
Similar to wakeboarding, cutting across while riding allowed me to really pick up speed. I could use this to slingshot past the scooter at even higher speeds than the scooter was going, as you will see when I work up towards 30 miles an hour.
That's so good. This is so fast. That's funny. Holy moly. How fast is this?
Probably got like 22.
Dang, that felt so fast. What the heck? That was bordering on like too fast. Let's try to get it up to 25 on this run. Yeah.
Probably have to just start and double in and go like real that faster.
Yeah, try to get to 25 by the time we reach the camera. So I can do a fast flyby on it. Okay. The trucks feel pretty good. Holy moly. This is so fast. That was so fast. That was so good. Tell me when you're at top speed. Oh my gosh. It won't go above 27? Interesting. All right, give me, like nod your head, because I can't really hear you. Nod your head when you hit the top speed and I'll launch, okay? Okay, go ahead. That's so much fun. That's so much fun.
There's a long parking lot.
What's that?
Definitely there's a longer parking lot.
I know.
That had like more buildings.
I don't know how many parking lots would have this long of a stretch without speed bumps.
Yeah.
I'm really surprised there's no speed bumps.
My friend, who actually has a life and people that love him, had to go to dinner, so that was all I was able to get. But this served as a good proof of concept, and if you guys are interested and find this entertaining, then I'll definitely do this again. I would like to do a full ride up the canyon or on another trail and get a couple good GoPro angles at the same time, so if you liked this and wanted to see more, then give this a like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.